Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's videos because as some of you saw on my Instagram, I got these bad boys and I'm so excited. I have been wanting to buy from Juvias place for a long time and finally happened because they had a bomb sale going on. So I ended up buying these two palettes, the Saharan and the Zulu palette, for only like $20 for both. So I am so happy, and the colors are just amazing. You're gonna see how pigmented and easy they are to blend. Like, I seriously did this look really quick, so it wasn't bad at all. But yeah, I went ahead and recreated one of my Instagram pictures. It's the yellow eye, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you want to know how I did this look, I kind of tweaked it. By the way, it's not exactly the same, but I hope you still enjoy it. Bye! Hey guys, okay, so today I'm actually trying something new. I did my eye that I usually do off camera first, and what I used for my face so far is this BB cream. It's the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh, and I also use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and this is probably one of my favorite powders to set my under eye with. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, but I like to use this one. This is in the color Dulce de Leche, and that's what I have going on so far. So first I'm going to take this color from the Saharan palette from Juvia's place. It's the color Katsina. Now that that's blended, I'm going to take my Zulu palette by Juvia's place and take this color. This palette doesn't have names, but I'll just, the yellow one. I'm going to take that original blending brush and blend away the edges. I'm going to take another blending brush. I have two of these at hand, so this one's the lighter brown and this one's the darker brown. I'm going to take this deep brown from the Zulu palette and just stamp it on the outer corner. And I don't know why for this look I was craving like a tiny wing. So we're gonna do that on this side too. This is the Wet n Wild Pro Line Felt Tip Eyeliner. I just got this yesterday and look how tiny it is. It's like... But I'm gonna do a tiny wing. Okay, now that we're here, I'm going to do my under eye, and for my under eye I grabbed a very small detail brush and I went back into my Zulu palette with that deep brown shade, and then I just grabbed the yellow again with the same packing brush, and then the last touch that I did, I grabbed my NYX Wonder Pencil in the color Light, I think. Yep. And I just did my waterline. So this is where we're at right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just do the rest of my face and we'll pretty much be done. I think I like doing the one eye before I do my camera eye. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, the cream one, in the shade medium, and I'm gonna take the cinnamon color. Alright, to set everything in place, I'm going to take, let's use this one. This is my old one. So this is a powder that I love to use, and I finished this one way before I finished the bronzer. So that's why I bought a new one of these so that I could use the powder, but I need to finish up this bronzer. So this is the same Dulce de Leche contouring palette, and I'm just going to use this shade to set that cream bronzer in place. Okay, now I'm going to take my Milani blush. This is a baked one in the shade Rose de Oro. Lastly, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Gold Bar highlighting bar. I have not forgotten to put on mascara. I almost did. So I'm going to put on mascara and then I'll be back for lips and we'll be done. Okay, so we are back and I can do my... I don't have lipstick here that I want to wear. I hate this. I think I'm gonna use the color Kinda Sexy for my lips. Yeah. Alright. Alright you guys, and that is it. This is the finished look. I'm glad I recreated it once I got these palettes because these palettes are pigmented. So I love them and I'm excited to keep playing with them, especially with this guy. I think there's just endless possibilities. So I'm so excited. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed and that you have a great day. But other than that, please make sure you subscribe to my channel on this side and that you watch my other videos over here. And please let me know of anything else you'd like to watch. I'm really interested in knowing because I don't know. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Every night I want the música. I don't care if it goes crazy. Dreams are keeping me awake. No. We can live in a world that we designed. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be okay.